సో ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఇయర్స్ లో ఎన్ని రిలీజ్ అయినాయి, ఏమేమి రిలీజ్ అయినాయి అని చెప్పి ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ రైట్ నౌ. సో డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ రిలీజ్ ఇయర్స్, ఇయర్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నా, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ షోస్ తీసుకుంటున్నా. What is? See, let us decrease the count. Let's go with 10 and check how it works. See, it increased the time. I'm sure that.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm checking.
Yeah, if we decrease the categories, it will get more factor. As I'm increasing the categories, the lines will become thinner. Okay.
Each year, how much it is? Yes.
Yes. This is
If
all
yes.
about histogram.
Okay.
You can note down this first line.
Yeah. It's 25 syntax for histogram.
Vamshi, are you aware of this Power BI?
No.
These are all very, very major topics from Power BI. Graphs and all.
These graphs and everything. Okay.
Yeah, comes with the Power BI, but I just made it shortened and which are required from a project requirement into that I'm telling you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I have noted down. You can.
Let's go for pie chart. Okay. Everyone knows this pie chart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now please read the code and tell me how you can get it.
So it's almost the same def type. Counts are same, and so we need to see percent 1.1. So maybe you are asking it to display to one display how many points it needed. I mean,
What is type here?
percentage. Type in the sense the movie type, whatever the type which we used on the earlier, right? In the earlier charts, the type which we used.
Correct. What is the value count?
Value is similar. The counts of the all the things.
Okay.
And
The
and
plot
whatever the type.
kind pie. మనం పై చార్ట్ తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి we took pie. What is
Pie.
this automaticity?
No, it needs to display in percentage, right? Till what percentage you need to display. You are
Why
mentioning there,
this
right?
percentile 1 and why this 1
That
percentile?
maybe till 2 decimals you want to display. I think
Okay.
maybe is percentile 1 in the sense double
But
digit.
show me this single number after this.
Yeah, that I'm not sure. It looks like percentile.
Yeah, you can look all out the code and you can see the output also once.
Yeah, it's only 1 percentile is there. Maybe you mention 1, it will come 1. I don't know. It's something
What is
related
F
to
over
this
there?
one.
What is F over here?
Not really sure.
That's
Maybe float. If I know float only in decimal thing, but I don't know really what it is here.
See, here the first percentage symbol is showing that it's just formatting the number. The percentage symbol ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే జస్ట్ ఒక నెంబర్ ఫార్మాట్ ని స్టార్ట్ చేయడం కోసం యూజ్ చేస్తాం.
Okay.
So coming to this 1.1f అంటే ఏంటంటే it shows the number with one digit before decimal
Okay.
plus one digit after decimal.
Okay.
As you
But there
said,
are two digits, right?
yes, I'm coming. So f is, as you said, the decimal.
Yeah.
Sorry, f is float, as you said.
Hmm. Hmm.
Correct. So your
Yes.
question is like ఇక్కడ మనం వన్ డిజిట్ బిఫోర్ వన్ డిజిట్ ఆఫ్టర్ అన్నాం కదా మరి 69 ఎందుకు వచ్చింది యువర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ దట్.
Yes.
సో యూ కెన్ డిఫైన్ ఇట్ లైక్ వన్ డిజిట్ అంటే లైక్ ఇఫ్ వి కట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డిజిట్ అక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయండి ఇస్ అవర్ పాయింట్.
Okay. I got it.
If we
Uh,
if we put it zero, it will display as zero.
Hmm.
So like why do we use here? Most probably everyone considers one number after the decimal point or two numbers after the decimal point. One will be the most common one. If we take it two, that would be the accurate value. Correct?
Okay. Yes.
You understood what I'm trying to tell?
I have a bit. uh,
See,
you are saying that one digit before the decimal and one digit after the decimal by mentioning 1.1,
mm,
and that percentile is for another
ఇది
extra,
ఈ
right?
లాస్ట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఉంది కదా
Hmm.
అది ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే చేయడానికి జస్ట్ టు షోకేస్.
Okay. Okay.
I
Okay.
explained this percentage 1.1 float.
Hmm.
సో ఇక్కడ నేను ఈ పర్సంటేజ్ సింబల్ ని స్ట్రైక్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తే ఇట్ వోంట్ షోస్ ఇన్.
Hmm.
See, it is showing as error, but still it's giving
Hmm.
us the count, but not in the percentage way. Correct?
Okay. Yes. 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 So to
So
show them, okay, then
yeah,
this float is for
ఈజీగా
the,
పర్టికులర్ వేలో పర్సంటేజ్ సింబల్ లో చూపించడం కోసం ఈ ఎక్స్ట్రా పర్సంటేజ్ సింబల్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం.
yeah, that is good. But what about F percentage?
If
Percentage F తర్వాత percentage ఉంది కదా.
yeah, in this Python, this single percentage, like single symbol, percentage symbol is very special. So if you want to print a sign of percentage, we do write it double two times.
Okay, okay.
So if we wrote only one percentage, Python would
Hmm.
confused. This is not from me, it was inbuilt.
Okay, okay.
You will understand ongoing.
To display these percentages, we use this percentile 1.1 F percentage. Okay.
Correct. So
Sure.
ఇది 1.1f1 ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాం? This controls how many decimals you wanna see after after the point. Like decimals అంటే after the point కదా.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. This one is the starting కాబట్టి not particularly one digit. In oral we do say that, but before numbers ఎన్నైనా ఉండొచ్చు కానీ once after the decimal point, ఈ decimal point తర్వాత 1 ఉండాలి. To make that understand, we use this 1.1 అన్నమాట. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
The same thing which is displaying us.
Hmm. Can I note it down? Is it,
Yes.
this is
Don't get panic. It will be
no,
bit
no, no panic.
confused.
This is very
Yeah.
easiest class. Same thing repeating again and again with some extra comments. That's it.
Add-ons. Yeah. All the code code part would be same, but it differs when it comes to particular different chart, like pie chart view. పై చార్ట్ కి కొంచెం వేరే కమాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి, హిస్టోగ్రామ్ కి వేరే కమాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి, బార్ చార్ట్, లైన్ చార్ట్, పనెల్ చార్ట్. దెర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ చార్ట్స్. If you find some half an hour free time, you explore YouTube or Google or ChatGPT by typing like different kinds of charts in Power BI. Type this and search. You'll find n number of graphs. I don't say all will be useful for us, but these are the major things which we use in our projects and all.